Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best welding shirt is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial pieces of safety gear for anyone working with sparks, heat, and potential hazards, and today we're diving deep into what makes a welding shirt truly stand out, ensuring you get the protection and comfort you need without compromising on durability or style, because when you're focused on the weld, your apparel should be the last thing on your mind, providing a reliable barrier against the intense environment of welding. Number 5. BOCOMAL FR Shirts Flame Resistant 100% CNFPA 2112 7.5 ounce men's. Introducing the BOCOMAL FR shirt, designed for ultimate protection. Stay safe and comfortable with its flame-resistant properties. This shirt meets NFPA 2112 standards, ensuring you're protected against flash fires. It's made with 100% cotton for durability and comfort. Experience the lightweight feel of our 7.5 ounce fabric. It's built to withstand tough conditions while keeping you comfortable all day long. Specifically crafted for men who work in demanding environments, like welding. This shirt offers the reliability you need. Our fire-retardant technology provides an essential layer of safety. You can trust it to perform when it matters most. Don't compromise on comfort for safety. This shirt offers the best of both worlds, allowing you to focus on your work. What we like. This shirt offers robust protection with its 100% cotton, 7.5 ounce fabric, and NFPA 2112 certification. If you need reliable, certified flame resistance for demanding welding tasks, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for professionals who prioritize safety and compliance in hazardous environments. What people say. The shirt is made of durable, flame-resistant material that offers excellent protection against sparks and heat. It features reinforced stitching in high-stress areas, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. The design includes a comfortable collar that can be buttoned up to protect the neck from welding spatter. Number 4. Schwer S081 Arm Protection Sleeves. Experience superior protection against sharp objects. These sleeves are engineered with advanced fibers to provide ANSI level A5 cut resistance, safeguarding you from blades, glass, and more. Stay safe in high-heat environments. Our sleeves are flame-resistant, thanks to aramid fibers that create a protective barrier, preventing burning, melting, or dripping. Enjoy all-day comfort without compromise. Made without fiberglass or PFAS, these sleeves are designed to be gentle on your skin, reducing irritation for prolonged wear. Get complete arm protection that stays in place. The 18-inch length and thumbhole design ensure a secure fit, preventing slippage even during strenuous activity. From the workshop to the garden, these sleeves are your go-to. They offer reliable protection for a wide range of tasks, including metalworking, food handling, and gardening. What we like. These sleeves provide superior cut and flame resistance, featuring ANSI A5 protection and a thumbhole for a secure fit. If you work with sharp materials or are exposed to sparks and flames, these are ideal. They offer comprehensive arm protection for various industrial and DIY tasks. What people say. The shirt is made of a durable material that holds up well to welding. It offers good protection from sparks and heat. The fit is comfortable and allows for a good range of motion. Number 3. BOCOMAL FR Shirts Lightweight Welding Shirts. Introducing the BOCOMAL FR Shirts, designed for ultimate comfort and safety. These lightweight shirts offer superior flame resistance for your demanding work environment. Crafted with a 6.25 ounce fabric, they provide a comfortable feel without compromising on protection. Stay cool and safe while you work. Specifically engineered for welders, these shirts offer the fire-retardant properties you need. Focus on your task with confidence in our protective gear. Our men's fire-retardant shirt ensures you are protected from sparks and flames. It's an essential addition to your workwear collection. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and safety with BOCOMAL FR shirts. They are built to keep you protected and comfortable all day long. What we like. This shirt is designed for comfort with its lightweight 6.25 ounce fabric, making it breathable for long workdays. If you tend to overheat or prefer a less bulky feel while still needing flame resistance, this is the perfect option. It's great for warmer climates or less intense welding jobs. What people say. The shirt is made of a durable, flame-resistant material that offers excellent protection from sparks and heat. It features reinforced stitching in high-stress areas, ensuring longevity and reliability during demanding welding tasks. The design includes a comfortable fit with breathable fabric, allowing for ease of movement without compromising safety. Number 2. Black Stallion Men's FR Cotton Work Shirt. Introducing the Black Stallion Men's Work Shirt. Crafted for safety and durability, it's designed to keep you protected on the job. Made from 8-ounce cotton denim, this shirt offers a comfortable feel without compromising on toughness. It's perfect for long work days. The long sleeves provide extended coverage, offering an extra layer of protection against the elements and potential hazards. Engineered with flame-resistant treatment, this garment is built to offer peace of mind in environments where fire resistance is crucial. This reliable work shirt is ready for any task. Stay safe, comfortable, and protected with this essential piece of workwear. What we like. This work shirt combines a classic denim look with essential flame resistance in an 8-ounce cotton fabric. If you appreciate a traditional workwear aesthetic and need durable protection, this shirt is a solid pick. It's suitable for those who want to maintain a certain style without compromising on safety. What people say. The shirt is made of a durable material that holds up well to welding. It offers good protection from sparks and heat, which is essential for safety. The fit is comfortable and allows for a good range of motion while working. Number 1. Wrangler Rigs FR Work Shirt. Introducing the Wrangler Rigs Flame-Resistant Work Shirt. Designed for durability and safety on the job. This shirt is crafted to withstand demanding work environments. It offers reliable protection without compromising on comfort. Featuring flame-resistant technology, it provides an essential layer of safety. Stay protected when it matters most. The practical two-pocket design allows for easy storage of essential tools and items. Keep what you need close at hand. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and rugged durability. This shirt is made to last through your toughest days. Trust in the quality and performance of Wrangler Rigs. It's the workwear you can depend on. What we like. Featuring a comfortable fit and practical two-pocket design, this shirt offers reliable FR protection. If you value functionality and a comfortable feel for everyday wear, this is a great choice. It's ideal for welders who need easy access to tools and a shirt that feels good all day long. What people say. The shirt is made of a durable, flame-resistant material that offers excellent protection against sparks and heat. It features reinforced stitching and adjustable cuffs for a comfortable and secure fit. The breathable fabric keeps you cool even during long welding sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.